Welcome! In this video, we'll cover creating and modifying alerts in your AlphaSense account. Once I complete a search, I may need to continue monitoring this topic so that I can stay up to date when new information is released in the future. To do this, I'll create an alert in AlphaSense. First, I'll give it a name. Then, I can set the email alert schedule that works best for me. I can even set multiple daily alerts if I choose. When new content becomes available using the saved search parameters, AlphaSense will notify me based on the schedule I've set. In the alert email, I can quickly read through relevant sections, download individual documents right from the email, or view the list of new content in AlphaSense. If I ever need to turn off, adjust, or turn on any alerts for this or any search, I can do so by accessing my saved searches here. With AlphaSense, you have the ability to customize your alerts to fit whatever workflow best suits you. Thanks for watching.